I mounted the beam 24L and 24R. 24R is on the right side and 24L is on the left side. That's looking from the side with the door. If you look on the back side, that's going to be the opposite. So this is the way I inserted the screws. I have braces, if you've noticed. I put shears to support the panels in the breeze. So here I put the screws in. I actually put an extra one here. This is going to be removed once I have to put panels over this to overlap the panels. But this this was one of the first screws that I put in. It helped me to put the other end up to work on. It helped with the leverage. So I put the screws in there. An extra one here too. And then these three here are the ones that are supposed to be permanent, as well as the other three. This three here, these are supposed to be permanent. This one's extra. I will remove that one eventually to make an overlap panel connection. So I put my frames back to support the panels in the breeze.